My interest in computer science and technology really was sparked because of the possibility of being able to provide solutions to underdeveloped, underprivileged communities and scale a product or a service to serve a global audience. That's why I was so attracted to tech. The possibility of helping millions of people around the world simultaneously with one solution. That's a great question. I came across Kibo through a program I had just completed. The name of the program is Shasha Bridge, and the CEO of the program, Farai Munjoma, told me about Kibo because I shared my passion for computer science and technology with him. And he told me about Miss Ope, the founder of Kibo. And when he told me about the offerings of the program, which were Python programming, future proof with Python, I was excited to get started. Yes, yes, it was. It was hard learning Python, but it was a challenge whereby I felt eager and I was excited to overcome every step of the way. And although the process was complex, learning the fundamentals of Python, there was always someone to lend a helping hand. There was always someone to answer my questions. There was always someone that was open to hearing my thoughts on why I don't understand a particular thing and offering help afterwards. And I think that's what made the journey to learning the basics of Python so interesting and so wonderful, and really helped me understand that even as I go on in my journey of learning Python, I will find challenges and it will be difficult, but more so, I will overcome those challenges with a team, with people supporting me along the way. And that's what makes it so memorable, the Future Proof with Python program. I have three key pieces of advice I would give to a young person starting the Kibo program in regards to my experience. I would say that the first piece of advice is to have a goal. Before you start the Kibo Future Proof with Python program or the Communication for Success program, have in mind what you want to accomplish afterwards. Because let's think about two scenarios. Someone wants to start the program because they want to learn the basics for a beginner. And someone wants to start the program because they want to be able to create a simple project when they're done. These are two different types of goals, but by having a clear, defined goal for yourself, you're able to measure your success after you're done with the program and reflect on your achievements. My second piece of advice would be to be open to asking questions. There is so much support in the Kibo community, and if you close yourself up and do not ask questions, you won't be able to experience that family sense of community and people who are willing and available to help. So don't think that you will come across as inferior or anyone will think less of you if you ask any questions, because it is the direct opposite and people are always willing to help. My third piece of advice would be willing to take on a challenge. When you see a challenge, don't feel afraid or overwhelmed, but be excited because you will overcome and you will surpass. And if the challenge seems insurmountable or too big, then ask questions, because there will always be someone, either it's a peer or your teacher, that will be willing and able to help you out.